In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code for Event Ticket Center. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to google.com. Once we're here, in the Google search box, type in promo codes for Event Ticket Center, like so, and then hit enter. And now once we're here, scroll past the sponsored result or results, and then we've got a few different options. So we can check out couponfollow.com, Real Tell Me Not, 10% off, Worth the Penny, 10% off. Any one of these sites will work, but one I like to use is called Coupon Follow, so I'm going to jump into their site. These sites do change, these promo codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so what you're seeing now might be different in the future. And another thing to note, they might expire as well, so if one code has expired, just move on to the next one. Alright, so we're over at couponfollow.com, and now if I want to activate 10% off my order, I'm just going to simply click on show coupon code, and then I want to copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of eventticketcenter.com to enjoy 10% extra 10% off the order. And another cool thing about Coupon Follow, if we scroll down, we can see previously featured offers and deals, and you might be able to get a sense of what they might offer in the not too distant future.